Hello, everyone, and welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swiflearn, we try our best to transform young minds. So, if you want to regularly hear from us, don't forget to click on like, comment, share, and subscribe. And for that, click the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So, I am Charu and I have brought for you a very interesting topic, the most sought after topic amongst children as well as adults. So, any guesses? What are we going to talk about today? Let me tell you, we are going to talk about how to become a top notch English speaker. Who doesn't want to become a top notch English speaker? I mean, everybody in this world at the present time wants to become one great eloquent speaker and wants to speak great and proficient language. All right. And for that, I am going to give you some smart tricks and tips that you can use in your daily life so that you can become one of those proficient speakers. So, why wait? Let us quickly delve into the session and learn a few techniques. All right, so here I have a quote for you. With the knowledge of English language, you are at home anywhere. It holds a lot of importance. This quote actually holds a lot of importance because English has now become the language of the world. You go anywhere, you require English. It is one of the most important languages. Let me ask all of you, why do you want to learn language? Just so that you can pass a test? You can pass your school exams? No, if that's the reason you want to learn English, that's absolutely wrong. Let me tell you, there are various important reasons for you should learn English. Let me ask you a question. Do you want a new job? Yes, you want one. Do you want a new job in global market? Obviously. Do you want to travel the world? Yes, everybody does. Do you want to explore animation and entertainment industry? Yes, obviously you do. And for all these reasons, you require English as your language. So, I am going to give you some smart tips and tricks for learning English. Point number one, make a note that if you want to learn English, you build a memory wall. We always go out with friends and click photographs. We go out with family, we click photographs. Whenever we are learning something, we probably try and click screenshots, right? So, why not collect all those images and create a beautiful memory wall for yourself? That's a great way to involve yourself in some creativity and also learn new things. This is going to be your gateway to learning English. You can take some photographs, paste them on the wall, and then you can try and give some small captions to those photographs. This way, you can beautify and spruce up your home. Also, you can learn new words in English. Second, yes, this is one of my very favorite way of learning English, which is sing karaoke like no one is watching. Okay, so do you know what karaoke is? Yes, it is an interactive musical instrument where you can sing using microphone and you can record yourself, right? So you can sit with your friends or your family members and then probably you can try singing like nobody is watching. Don't forget to have fun while you are recording songs on karaoke. This way, you can try and transform your accent, and while you are doing it in public, you are going to become really confident. Okay, now let us talk about the third method. Yes, this is one method that everybody keeps talking about, and this method is never going to lose its importance, which is read newspapers, magazines, or short stories aloud. So, when you read newspapers aloud, first of all, you understand that there are various everyday use words in the newspapers available. So, you can pick up those words. Also, you can try and practice intonation. voice modulation. You can practice word stress. You can become a news reporter. You can read like a news reporter. You can consider your family members like news reporter. And that is how you can practice learning English. You can also read short stories aloud to probably your siblings around. They will be entertained and you will learn English. All right. So this is something you should do every day. Now coming to a quick tip. So yes, I have got a quick tip for you. So what you can do is you can carry your camera or phone around the house and behave like a news reporter or a vlogger. And then you can record everything that's going on in the house and you can generate some commentary over it and deliver it. So this is going to help you shed your camera inhibitions and you can probably become a great speaker, right? And meanwhile, you are also improving your English. So I hope that's going to work for you. Now, the next one is always, always, always subscribe to podcasts and YouTube channels in English, and that's where you can also find Swiflearn. So while you are subscribing to YouTube channels in English, don't forget to subscribe Swiflearn too, where you can get to learn and practice English in the most interactive way possible. And then you can also subscribe to various podcasts. Podcasts are a great way of learning English and also they can help you develop your active listening skills. And last but not the least, try rubber duck method. What is rubber duck method? Let me tell you, this rubber duck method is actually used by coders. They, whenever they have to debug a code, so they try and keep a rubber duck next to them and they forcefully speak each and every line to that rubber duck, and meanwhile they can debug a code. So I can suggest that you can make this rubber duck your friend, and then whenever you are reading any text, whenever you are reading any story, you can try read it out to your friend that is going to be a rubber duck. Don't worry, you might say, ma'am, but we don't have a rubber duck. Don't worry, my dear children. You can also use any toy of your choice, your favorite toy. You can consider it your student, your friend, your buddy, right? And then you can read out each and every text to that toy. And then, meanwhile, in that process, you can become a great speaker. All right. You can also become best friends with your toy. All right. So here I will end my session. I hope you got some great tips and tricks on how to learn English. All right. And then you have Swiflearn, the best place to learn and practice language. You are going to get several opportunities to practice the language with the expert teachers. And just remember, you are just one click away from booking your slot. Hurry up. Thank you everyone for your time. I hope you really enjoyed the session. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the comment section below on how you have learned English. Alright? Okay, bye everyone. I am going to see you next with a lot more surprises and information. Meanwhile, stay happy, stay safe.